Welcome children. Assessment worksheet number 4, subject science, class 7th. In first column you have to write your name, name of student and name of class teacher. In second column you have to write the name of your class teacher. Answer the following question. First question is, how are fungi harmful to us? Explain any two ways. So you have to give answer how fungi harmful to us. During rainy season, fungi spoil many things like pickles, leather, shoes and clothes, etc. Second, some fungi cause diseases in plants, animals and humans. Question number 2 or B. Complete the statement with appropriate words. Dash, plants get their nutrition from insect only. Insectivorous plants get the nutrition from insects. Second, dash is an example of parasite plant. So you have to write Cuscuta. Cuscuta is an example of parasite plant. C. Why is photosynthesis necessary for survival of all living organisms? All living organisms depend on plants for their food directly or indirectly. Oxygen, which is essential for the survival of all living organisms, is produced during photosynthesis. D. Define saprophytic nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which organisms take in nutrients in solution form from dead and decaying matter is called saprophytic nutrition. E. Write names of any two useful fungi. So you have to write two useful fungi. First one is mushroom, used as a vegetable. Second one is yeast, used in making different food items like cake pastry. Next, what do all organisms need? Why do all organisms need food? So, why do all organisms need food? All organisms need food to get energy for growth and maintenance of their body. Next, answer the following questions in brief. Differentiate between autotrophs and heterotrophs with two examples each. So you have to write difference between autotrophs and heterotrophs. Autotrophs, green plants synthesize their food themselves by the process of photosynthesis, so they are called autotrophs. Example, all green plants and algae. You can write algae and all green plants. Heterotrophs, a few plants and all animals are dependent on others for their food or nutrition and are called heterotrophs. Examples, all animals and you can write fungi. Next question, what are the essential requirements and products of photosynthesis? Write in the boxes shown below in the diagram of photosynthesis in green plants. So, what are the essential requirements for the photosynthesis? Chlorophyll, sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. So you have to fill in the boxes. In first box you have to write sunlight. Second, plants need carbon dioxide, chlorophyll present in the green leaves of the plant, And what is the product of photosynthesis? Oxygen and food in the form of carbohydrate or glucose. And in the last box you have to write water or minerals which are needed for photosynthesis. Thanks for watching.